Stop. You're wasting Amex points. Let's fix the biggest redemption mistakes fast. Mistake 1. Redeeming for cashback or statement credits. Very low cents per point. Mistake 2. Booking hotels through Amex Travel blindly at inflated point rates. Mistake 3. Using points on retail gift cards or shopping portals. Big devaluation. Mistake 4. Ignoring transfer partners. Airline and hotel partners unlock far higher value. Mistake 5. Panicking and cashing out last minute without checking partner availability. Solution 1. Transfer points to airline partners, often 1.5 to 5x more value. Solution 2. Target premium cabin awards and partner suite spots for outsized returns. Solution 3. Wait for transfer bonuses. They can dramatically boost value. Use Amex Travel only when its bundled perks beat partner transfers. Compare first. Tip: track award charts, be flexible on dates, and split bookings to save more. Final: audit past redemptions and adopt a transfer-first strategy for max value.